bought a diesel to last, but the way you drive, it won't make 100,000. These daily mistakes silently destroy engines, and one of them, even veteran mechanics, still do it. Habit 13. Cold starting and driving immediately. You turn the key, fire it up, and roll out. Wrong. That cold oil hasn't moved. Glow plugs are barely warm. Fuel is thick. What happens next? Unburnt diesel floods the cylinders. Starters strain. Injectors gum up. We've seen cold start abuse take out $2,500 injection systems before 100,000 miles. Starters burn out under 60K. The engine wears hard with every frozen launch. Want it to last? Let the truck idle for at least 60 seconds before moving in cold temps. Oil needs to circulate. Combustion needs to stabilize. Your glow plugs need to catch up. Fix that? Good. Because here is what's melting your turbo from the inside out. Habit 12. Shutting off hot after a hard drive. You finish a pull, park, and kill the key because you are in a hurry. That traps red-hot oil in the turbo, bakes it into carbon, grinds bearings, and melts seals. Power fades, smoke starts, and the shaft scores itself to death. That is a $3,000 hit, gone in half a minute. Idle for 90 seconds after towing, hill climbs, or hard throttle, then shut down. Save the turbo now, because dirty diesel will still wreck the system from the tank up. Habit 11. Using cheap diesel or filling up from low-volume stations. That bargain pump is not a win. Low turnover fuel carries water, microbes, and rust. One bad tank clogs filters, hits injectors, and chews the high-pressure pump. Hard starts, rough idle, and no power follow. Shops see full fuel system rebuilds from a single contaminated fill. $4,000 or more? Gone. Buy diesel from busy, trusted stations with high turnover. Avoid old farm pumps and roadside no-names. Keep receipts? Got clean fuel? Good. Now watch the warning that saves the entire system when water still slips through. Habit 10. Ignoring the water and fuel warning. That little light flashes, and most drivers brush it off. Meanwhile, water sneaks through, rusting injectors, corroding pumps, and wrecking fuel rails from the inside out. We have had cases where entire systems fail overnight. $5,000 gone before sunrise. That light matters. Learn what it looks like on your dash. When it blinks, drain the separator immediately. One twist could save your entire fuel system. You drained it, but now you are killing your exhaust system in slow-mo every time you run a short trip. Habit 9. Frequent short trips with no regen. Drive, stop, repeat means your DPF never hits burn temp. The soot builds up. Regen fails. Before long, you are in limp mode staring at a $3,000 filter replacement. It does not take years, just weeks of short commutes. If your diesel rarely stretches its legs, it never cleans itself. Give it a highway run or long idle every few days. You cleared the pipe, but now your throttle is choking, and the fix is buried in your ECM. Why not hit like and subscribe right now to make it all go away? Habit 8. Letting throttle response get sloppy without resetting ECM. Throttle starts lagging, shifts jerk, idle drops rough. That is not wear. It is your diesel learning the wrong habits. ECMs adapt over time. Bad fuel, lazy driving, towing stress all get baked in. And it stays that way unless you reset it. Ever seen power return in minutes from a scan tool reset? We have. No parts needed. If it feels off, act early. Because when it snowballs, it costs big. Now you cleared the brain. But your injectors are queuing up because of another habit that kills them slowly every day. Habit 7. Idling for too long in warm weather. You think idle is harmless, but on hot days, it turns deadly. Oil pressure drops, combustion temps rise, fuel atomizes poorly. That builds soot, fouls the EGR, and clogs your injectors 1 hour at a time. Mechanics trace burnt tips and rough cold starts back to long idle time. Keep idle under 5 minutes in summer, especially when parked. No airflow means heat soak. Did you fix idle? Good. But cold starts are still wrecking your engine, unless you catch this setting. Habit 6. Not using high idle in cold weather. You're idling at standard RPM below 40 degrees? That's slow motion engine abuse. Cold oil stays thick, pressure stays low, and metal scrapes metal. Meanwhile, your battery drains faster than it charges. But there's a fix built in. High idle mode boosts RPM just enough to heat oil, stabilize pressure, and recharge your system. Some trucks use the cruise switch, others need a manual trigger. Either way, activate it every cold start. Engine's warm now, but what's happening in your intake could be killing airflow and regen without a sound. Habit 5. Skipping intake valve matching after cleaning. You cleaned the intake, EGR or turbo vanes, but something still feels off. That's not in your head. After cleaning, the intake valves and turbo flaps fall out of sync. You need valve matching. It's a scan tool command that resyncs everything at idle. Miss it and expect poor airflow, weak throttle, bad regen, and boost loss. Shops forget it all the time. You can't afford to. Run the match. It only takes minutes. Your air's flowing clean. But now your transmission's soaked, and this mistake costs $4,000 if ignored. Habit 4. Driving through water without running clutch bake cycle. You crossed a flooded road, truck's running fine, but moisture snuck into the transmission. Days later, clutch packs slip, friction burns, torque converter fails. Total bill? $4,000. Some diesel trucks have a clutch bake mode, a post-soak sequence that dries internal parts by running light torque through the system. Mechanics use it after water exposure. You should too. Ask your shop or trigger it with a scan tool. Trans dried. But here's the one cold start mistake that can destroy your injectors from day one. Habit 3. Never replacing glow plugs until failure. Glow plugs wear long before they die. Wait until they fail, and you'll flood your engine with raw fuel every cold morning. White smoke, hard starts, washed cylinders. That's how injectors die before 80,000. We've seen diesel cars lose compression and fuel delivery from bad glow plug habits alone. Don't wait for warning lights. Replace every 100,000 miles or sooner in cold climates. Got fresh plugs in? Good. But if you haven't checked your filters lately, your engine's gasping for air and you don't even know it. Habit 2. Ignoring air filter maintenance. Airflow is life, but most diesel owners forget their air filter even exists. A clogged filter chokes oxygen, spikes fuel mix, and sends EGTS sky high. That's how you melt pistons, overheat turbos, and clog DPFs without warning. We've seen filters so packed they collapse, leading to full turbo replacements. Check it every oil change. Replace every 15,000 miles, or sooner in dust, dirt, or off-road runs. Don't guess. Look and replace. You've cleared the air. But now comes the habit that quietly destroys your engine's internals and takes your wallet with it. Habit 1. Running low-quality oil past its life. Cheap oil or late changes. That's game over. Diesel engines run hot, high pressure, and high soot. Bad oil breaks down, turns acidic, and can't protect critical parts. Ever seen cam wear, bearing scarring, or full injector wipeouts just from delayed oil service? We have. One truck came in with a seized turbo. Oil hadn't been changed in 22,000 miles. Always use diesel-rated manufacturer spec oil. Change by mileage, not by feel, not by guess. Skip this, and you're staring down a $10,000 engine rebuild. That's 13. But there's still one last thing that's killing your diesel silently, and your truck's ECM has been screaming about it the whole time. Bonus habit: ignoring ECM fault history. Your truck logs everything: misfires, pressure drops, bad fuel events. But nobody checks. Mechanics clear codes. You keep driving blind. Meanwhile, damage stacks. One unread fault cost a guy his entire fuel rail. Scan your ECM monthly, because silent codes turn into loud repairs. And ignorance? That's the most expensive habit of all. How many of these have you done this week? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.